can you please address the question of fatness in women? Remembering Sayyidatna Sauda. Yeah, one of the earliest of the Prophet's marriages was to Sauda, and she is remembered for having been a stout woman. Well, there is a stoutness that is comes from the constitution. Some women eat very little, or men eat very little, but they're nonetheless big. And physicians are well aware of that. Sometimes the basis for it is glandular or hormonal. Sometimes the basis for it is that they just have a very large physical frame, or they're very muscular. I knew a sheikh in Turkey who was fairly enormous, but I also knew the man who did the tadliq, massaging of him, and he said the sheikh was all muscle. Doesn't know where it came from, but there was no fat on him, it was all muscle. He was like a rhinoceros, as the man described him. So fatness itself is not wrong, but gluttony that leads to fatness certainly is.